We begin on a bit of a somber note. Tragedy struck in the community of Cardiff Hall in Runaway Bay, St. Anne today. A woman and her 7-year-old daughter were burned to death in a house fire in the community this morning. More in this report. According to police reports, 26-year-old Shelley-Ann Hamilton and her daughter 7-year-old Gabriella Lambert lived at a rented property in St. Magrianville, Circle Cardiff Hall, Runaway Bay, St. Anne. We're told minutes after 10 Sunday, she was assisted by her landlord from Lincid St. Catherine to the apartment in St. Anne. We understand that shortly after he took her suitcase to her apartment and told her that it was at the door was locked. While he was leaving, one of his other tenants told him that smoke was coming from Miss Shelley-Ann Hamilton's apartment. He forced open the door and saw thick smoke and fire coming from inside. We're told he tried to extinguish the blaze. However, he was unable to do so. The police and fire department were called. The firefighters put out the blaze, and the charred remains of the mother and her child were found inside the apartment. Fire investigators are trying to determine the cause of the deadly fire. Police detectives who are also probing the case have so far been told that Miss Hamilton was having domestic issues. Those who knew her also told investigators she may have been experiencing depression. Our news center in the meantime spoke with Public Relations Officer for the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Emilio Ibanks.
We received a call at 11:09 a.m. that there was a fire at an apartment building in Cardiff Hall. One-bedroom apartment was on fire. On arrival at the given location, the apartment was totally burnt out. And during cooling down operations, we came across the burnt remains of one adult that we're told is an adult female and a 7-year-old child. We presently have investigators on scene trying to ascertain the cause of the fire, and we are still working on the risk and the loss associated with this fire.